Introducing the all-new Hybrid Solution Ceramic Plus Graphene Inside Job.
So in interiors, you usually have all different types of materials. You have vinyl, plastic, leather, sometimes clear-coated wood grain, and you have all these different materials, and that really makes the car interior hard to clean because you're not sure if you should have like different cleaners for each one, but not with Inside Job. You can have one product that does and cleans all this, especially if you have grease stains on those high-touch areas. Inside Job is going to be the product for you.
But we also want to be able to condition some of the softer plastics and leathers to make sure that they stay soft, that they don't become brittle, and they don't crack. The graphene gave us the dust repellency, but it also helped repel a lot of fingerprints that you would normally experience on touchscreens or on door handles, where some of those oils from your hand can leave a lot of greasy surfaces.
So UV protection is super important, especially if you have leather interior. Last thing you want to worry about is the sun damaging it, fading it, making it kind of crack prematurely. So having a product with UV protection in it is going to extend the life of your leather. And it also has odor eliminating chemistry. So if you have kids like I do, or a dog, right, that brings in, could be another foul odor brought in, right? It has odor eliminating technology as well.
Check out and shop all of Turtle Wax's 2022 fan-requested innovations.